Hi students, today's lesson will be on area of a circle. So you'll be able to understand and use area of a circle to solve problems. So the formula for area of a circle is going to be pi, let me use the yellow, pi r squared, where r is your radius. And just recall, if you need to, radius is the length from the center to the edge of a circle. Okay, so no diameter in this one, unlike the circumference. You have to use radius. To find the area of the circle, okay, so remember the formula is pi r squared. So you need the radius. 10 over here is saying what? What does 10 measure? 10 measures the diameter. So you need the radius. And how do we find the radius? Well, radius is half of the diameter. So from here to here is going to be 5. So you need to use that. So r equals 5. So it's going to be pi is 3.14 times 5 squared. And remember, 5 squared is not 5 times 2. That's a big no. 5 squared means 5 times 5. Okay, this is not what it means. Big no. You have to, if you need to rewrite it twice, then rewrite it twice. Like 3.14 times 5 times 5. But like, don't do 5 times 2. You're going to get the wrong answer every single time. You're actually going to find the circumference if you do that. So let's multiply that out. We're going to get area is equal to 78.5 centimeters squared. Remember, this is area now. We have to go back to writing squares. This is two-dimensional. How about you pause the video and you try this one on your own. All right, welcome back. So area is equal to pi r squared. Our radius is given to us, which is 7. So that's going to be 3.14 times 7 squared. It's going to be 49 times 3.14. And that is 153.86 feet squared. Jara is having pizza for a birthday party. She can make 2 small pizzas, each with the radius of 6 inches. 1 large pizza with the radius of 12 inches. Which option will give you more square inches of pizza? Draw images to help you. Honestly, I do think that images do help you. I know a lot of you guys fight it, but it does. So option 1 is she makes 2 small pizzas. We have 2 pizzas for option 1. Okay. And your circles would have to be like perfect, just so that you get an idea. And the radius of each of these is 6. Option 2 is 1 large pizza, and the radius of this is 12. Now let's find the areas. All right, so let's find the area of 1 pizza on the left. So area is going to be 3.14 times 6 squared. Remember, this is coming from area is equal to pi r squared. If you need to, write the formula every single time. That's going to be 6 squared is 36. So 36 times 3.14 is 113.04 inches squared. Okay, and that is for 1 pizza. So we're looking at it for 2 pizzas. What can we do to get this to get the area of 2 pizzas? Just multiply it by 2. So 3.113 times 2 will give you 226 0.08 inches squared areas. So area for both pizzas is 226.08 inches squared. Now let's find the large pizza. So area is equal to 3.14 times 12 squared. 12 squared is 144, so 144 times 3.14 ends up giving you 452.16 inches squared. So the final answer for this, if you're answering it, would be the large pizza will give her more square inches of pizza. Okay. Okay. How about you try this one on your own? Pause the video. All right, welcome back. So Peggy knitted a circular blanket. The diameter was 3 feet. So diameter was 3 feet. What is the area of the blanket? So got to make sure that you use a radius, and that would be 1.5. You're just dividing it by 2. 1.5 feet. So now let's find it. Area is equal to pi r squared. So it's going to be 3.14 times 1.5 squared. 1.5 times 1.5 is 2.25 times 2.14. So area is 7.065 feet squared. And your ELA is completing these 4 problems. Bye, everyone.